My name is Charles Chinoso, and in this video tutorial, I'll be giving you a quick guide to ChatGPT. This is like a beginner's guide, so you get to understand how it works and all its AI features. For you to use ChatGPT, you need to go to the site, which is openai.com. So once you're on this site, so what you simply do is you create an account for yourself. It's very simple. Just follow the step and create an account for yourself. So once you're done creating your account, then you will have this interface on your account. So I'll be explaining all the interface to you and how you can use it for your own advantage. So for you to use ChatGPT is an AI tool that can be used for research purpose and also for queries. Like you can use it to find out any information you wish to know. We have two models of ChatGPT. We have ChatGPT 4 and 3.5. So if you want to see them, just click on this drop down arrow up here. So you can see this one is ChatGPT, which is the normal one. Then if you click on ChatGPT Plus, that one is the ChatGPT 4. So these two are different because ChatGPT, which is 3.5, is the old version and it was last updated September 2021. So now the ChatGPT 4 is the updated version, and ChatGPT 3.5 only answers to written prompts, whilst ChatGPT 4 can answer to image prompts and also voice prompts. So when I say prompt, you might be a bit confused. So the word prompt means command. I mean the command you give this to that makes it give you the information you want. Or in layman term, let me say the question you ask the tool that allows it to give you the information you want. So over here is where you get to see your history. I mean your history with ChatGPT. Can you see? Once you click on that, then you get to see all the questions you've asked ChatGPT in the past. Are you seeing what I'm saying here? So let's assume I want to check this particular one, which says WhatsApp marketing strategies. So once I click on it, I'll get to see all the WhatsApp marketing strategies ChatGPT told me back then. So can you see it's loading? So over here, I was trying to know some of the WhatsApp marketing strategies that I can use for my marketing purpose. And you can see all the information it gave me back then. So that's basically how it works. So now if you want to like ask a new question, if you want to give it a new prompt, or if you want to give it a new command, so what you simply do is come over to this particular place where they said message ChatGPT. So once you click on that, then you can get to ask it any question that you want to ask. You can see this tool is very, very good, like very, very useful for you, especially if you are into marketing or let me see affiliate marketing. So let's assume I want to create a 30 days content for my marketing, for my affiliate marketing. I could simply say that give me a 30 days content for my affiliate marketing business. So once I search for this, so you see the information it will bring for us. Can you see it's bringing some information for us? Can you see that? This is week 1, then that's day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. And this is week 2. Hope you are seeing the information it's giving us. I think this is related to Instagram kind of content because we are seeing reel, we are seeing post, we are seeing story. So, but basically, this is how you get content from ChatGPT using the tool. If you want to make it more peculiar to your purpose, you can say, give me 30 days content for my WhatsApp marketing. So once I search for this also, so I just search for that, you can see here is a 30 days WhatsApp marketing content plan to help you engage with your audience, build relationship, promote your affiliate marketing business. WhatsApp is a great personalized tool. Can you see? The first one, it talks about the introduction, which is day 1. Day 2, it gives you information about the benefit of affiliate marketing. GC. Day 3, personalized question. Day 4, can you see? And it goes on like that. And I can even say that, okay, ChatGPT, give me more details about all the informations you've provided in this WhatsApp marketing content. Give me more details about the WhatsApp WhatsApp marketing 30 days content. So over here you will notice that it will give us more details. If you notice, these ones it's giving us are not really detailed, so it will give us more detailed with these new prompts I sent to it. So if you want to make best use of ChatGPT, you need to like learn how to train it so that it can give you the best responses. You need to like learn how to give ChatGPT the best prompts so that it can give you the best responses. So I just search for this, give me more details about. Can you see? You remember the first thing he gave us that it was not really detailed. Can you see that this one is more detailed now? Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. The second one that talks about benefits, can you see that it is more detailed? See now, it's giving us the benefits: flexible working hours, no inventory needed, passive income potential. Hope you are seeing all that. And if you check the earlier one, there was no much details over there. Where is it? Let me. Can you see the earlier one we checked? It just told us the idea, like this is the idea, benefit of affiliate marketing. Then it moved on to day three. But if you check this one, I said give me more details. It gave us more information about the benefits that you can use, that you can post on your WhatsApp marketing. Can you see? So it says create an infographic with key benefits. Do you know that affiliate marketing can help you earn money while you sleep? Here are some key benefits. So basically, you want to ensure you learn how to give it the best prompts so that it can give you the best answer. So guys, if you would like to learn how to give ChatGPT the best prompts, just comment prompt in the comment section and I'll make a video on how to get the best response from ChatGPT. And also, if you like to learn how to make money from ChatGPT, comment money in the comment section and I'll make a video on that in my next tutorial. So I hope you got value from this video. If you did, please just ensure to subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends so that they can also get value from my channel.